Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to cancel Google Workspace subscription after trial. Okay, first you'll need to go and open the admin dashboard. Now you will have to navigate to the billing section here on the left side. And after that, go and click on subscriptions. Then here you have the subscription for your Google Workspace. Click on it. Once you click on it here, you can see all the details about your subscription, how long will it take, the estimated monthly bill, and so on. Simply click on more on the bottom left side right here in these three dots. Click on more. Then you have the option cancel subscription. Click on it. And now you'll have to choose between view downgrade options or cancel subscription. Here in my case, I want to cancel. So I'm going to click on cancel subscription. After that, here it will show me this page. I'm going to choose any one of these options. Let's say that I do not use it enough. Then click on continue. And after that, here you have to add your admin email address that you have actually used before in order to get the subscription. So I will type it right here, then click on cancel my subscription. After that, you'll have to log in into your account that you actually signed in or that you have actually purchased the Workspace subscription. Then click on next. And now you'll have to do the same steps again. Go and click on the cancel subscription and do the same steps. And once you're all done, here you'll find this message, cancellation successful. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.